Hey traders, Todd here with TradingAnalysis.com. This is your free video update for Friday, December 4th. And ECB really shook the markets here today. They weren't as accommodative as many traders and investors were hoping. And that kind of set the tone for 2 weeks from now when the Fed has another shot to let the market know they're done and they got to do it alone. So market sold off here pretty heavily. Let's dive in. I'll show you where we are in the SPY wave count and where we're likely to go. So here's the day. Actually, this is a 4-hour chart on the SPY. We're looking at a bullish count. This is wave 1. We go into a nice expanded flat, which is one of the 3 corrections in Elliott. There's only 3. Down in 2. Nice breakout in wave 3. Now here's the question, okay? If this is wave 4 and we are set to move higher in wave 5, here's what needs to happen. I have the fibs drawn out for you. I'll just pull them up. Okay, we're going to go from the low up to the high here, and I'll zoom in. And what you'll see is there is a very key support level at the 78.6. This is what we call the retracement of last resort. So until this breaks on the downside, I am going to view this 4th wave is over. This is 1. This is a pullback in 2, and we're going to rally in wave 5. Now, if we break the 78.6% price retracement, the relationship you're looking for is exactly this. If we get through $204.08 in the SPY, then you're going to look for an immediate push through 100%, then down to the 1272. It's the interplay between the 786 and 1272, which is what we're going to focus on. That's going to be $199.76. Now, what you'll notice is if I stretch this back out, that's up to the old wave 1 high. That's the must-hold support level in the Elliott wave count. Remember, wave 4 can't go into the territory of wave 1. So you have the 1272 on top of the old wave 1 high. Now, if we break 786 tomorrow, NFP, or even during the day, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to delete the 4. I'm going to call this A of 4. Today's move, the last couple days, the move up, and then the sharp sell-off, that's B. Then we have a C of 4. Okay, this is going to be a flat or a triangle. Okay, 2 of the 3 corrections in Elliott. So it's all about the 786 retracement of 204.08 in the SPY. If we break it, we get down to test the big level, 199.76, which is the old wave 1 high, as well as the 1272 of wave of the B wave. And actually, let's do this as well, just kind of on the calling an audible here. Let's do an extension of total distance in 2 compared to, oh, how you doing? Have a nice day. I didn't even know that. So the exact distance traveled in wave 2 right here is going to be exactly equal to the distance traveled if it gets down to this 199.50 to 75 area. Okay, so wave 2 is basically a measured move compared to wave 4. So that's going to be a real hotbed of activity. Okay, so that's a pretty key level. So guys, that's what we're looking for. Don't know what the wave count is, but in order to have a good trading plan, our plan A is that the 786 holds tomorrow and we trade higher in wave 5. If that doesn't happen, we very calmly, quickly, deliberately go over to plan B. We always have plan A, plan B in battle, guys. You never go into battle with one plan or else you're screwed. And then we'll get down through the 786, down to the 1272 and test that real hotbed of activity between 199.50 and 199.75 in your SPY. All right, guys. This video helps. Go ahead and hit the like button. You guys have been really very generous with the likes. It helps this content rise up. And I got to get the good word of Elliott Wave out to everyone. Just the idea that there's multiple possibilities in front of you doesn't mean that it's useless. In fact, that's what makes it so damn good. If it's the system that says this is the only thing that must happen in the market, you're screwed, okay? If you're going through life saying this is the only thing that's gonna happen to me and I have no contingency plan, how do you think things are gonna work out for you? Exactly. All right, guys, so I hope that helps. Good luck. And things are getting interesting, so stay tuned. See you soon.